I'll film it.
Right on.
The light's blinking, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, cool.
It's not looking forward though.
Oh, it's not?
It's looking up a little bit.
Oh! I hope I got it.
Let's see. Almost in the direction you're looking now.
Okay. Oh crap, I hope I got everybody. That would suck. Yeah, look at this wall. This is a great wall. Oh, he's gonna nice.
There you go. Good Tarzan.
Tarzan it. Woo! Oh! Sweet.
Yeah.
Buckeye! Oh! Yeah, yeah. Oh, the super leg wrap. Whoa, not messing around. There he goes. Woo! That's the same spot I slipped. It's almost like a Spider-Man jump, you know? He's like both legs out.
That was awesome.
It's like, now how do I unwrap myself without dropping to my death? Let's see. One step at a time.
Yeah, you gotta go a little lower, dude. You'll be able to get some real distance.
Oh, that's funny. Yeah, yeah. It was total